Welcome to the FIFA World Cup factory. Inside one of the world's most secure foundries, the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy begins as raw gold. Each gold bar is tested for exact chemical purity before melting. Even microscopic contamination can ruin the trophy casting. The purified gold enters an induction furnace heated beyond 1,000 degrees Celsius. The solid metal slowly transforms into
surface impurities are carefully removed. This refining stage ensures flawless trophy detail during casting.
Special alloy elements are added to strengthen the trophy structure. The formula must remain perfectly balanced throughout mixing. Engineers digitally map every contour of the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy. The design is transferred into ultra-precise. Artists manually refine microscopic details on the wax prototype. Every curve must match the official championship design.
The wax trophy is coated with high-temperature ceramic material. This shell will later form the exact casting mold.
The ceramic shell slowly hardens under controlled heat and airflow. Uniform drying prevents cracks during molten. Multiple ceramic layers are added to withstand extreme casting temperatures. Each layer increases mold strength and dimensional. The ceramic mold is heated to remove the internal wax prototype. This process leaves a hollow cavity shaped exactly like. The empty ceramic molds are fired to maximum hardness. This prepares the shell for molten gold casting pressure. Preheating prevents sudden thermal shock during gold pouring. The mold temperature must stay perfectly controlled. The molten gold alloy is transported under strict temperature control. Timing is critical before the metal begins cooling. Molten gold flows into every contour of the ceramic mold. Controlled pouring prevents trapped air and structural flaws. The cast trophy cools slowly to preserve internal strength. Rapid cooling could distort the final structure. The hardened ceramic shell is carefully removed from the casting. The raw trophy shape finally begins to appear. High-pressure blasting removes ceramic residue from the raw casting. The trophy surface is cleaned for detailed inspection. Every millimeter of the trophy is inspected for casting defects. Even microscopic flaws must be corrected immediately. Diamond grinders remove casting channels and rough seam lines. The trophy slowly takes on its final proportions. Robotic polishing systems smooth the trophy's complex contours. Each surface is refined to precise dimensions. Skilled artisans refine areas unreachable by automated machines. Hand finishing preserves the trophy's intricate sculptural. Laser scanners compare the trophy against the official digital blueprint. Micron-level accuracy is verified across every surface. Official markings are engraved using high-precision laser systems. Each trophy carries permanent identification and authentication. Ultra-fine polishing compounds create the trophy's iconic mirror finish. The gold surface now reflects. A transparent nano-coating protects the trophy from oxidation and fingerprints. The ultra-thin layer preserves the gold's mirror brilliance. Ultraviolet curing hardens the protective surface coating. The finish becomes durable while maintaining perfect clarity. Ultraviolet curing hardens the protective surface coating. The finish becomes durable while maintaining perfect clarity. Decorative malachite elements are fitted into the trophy base. The natural stone contrasts dramatically against polished gold. Specialized industrial adhesives permanently secure the stone base. The bonding process requires vibration-free. Balance testing ensures the trophy stands perfectly upright. Even minor weight shifts are carefully corrected. Engineers test the trophy against transport and handling vibrations. The structure must remain perfectly stable under movement. The trophy undergoes temperature and humidity stress testing. Environmental changes must not affect the finish or structure. Every trace of dust and residue is removed before final presentation. The trophy surface must remain visually flawless. Authentication systems verify the trophy's official production identity. Every marking is digitally matched to secure manufacturing records. Official promotional images document the completed championship trophy. Controlled lighting highlights every sculpted. The finished trophy is mounted onto its official presentation stand. Protective materials prevent damage during transport and display. An armored display enclosure protects the trophy during exhibition. The transparent casing preserves visibility while the trophy is secured inside a climate-controlled transport system. Advanced tracking protects the championship icon during shipment. After months of precision engineering, the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy is complete. The iconic gold symbol. The completed trophy begins its highly protected transport journey. Every movement is monitored under maximum security protocol.
The trophy travels under armed escort through tightly controlled routes.
Convoy is moving.
Security teams maintain constant surveillance.
Copy. At the airport terminal, the trophy undergoes another security clearance. Biometric verification protects The championship trophy is secured inside a climate-controlled aircraft. Shock-resistant mounts protect the trophy throughout flight. The finished trophy now travels toward its global unveiling. Environmental systems maintain perfect transport conditions in flight. After international transport, the trophy arrives at its destination facility. Security inspections continue immediately after landing. The trophy reaches the official presentation stage for final setup. Protective systems are removed moments before unveiling. The completed FIFA World Cup 20 trophy is revealed after its protected journey. The iconic gold design. The trophy takes center stage inside its official presentation display. Every spotlight is calibrated to highlight the polished. Specialized lighting enhances every sculpted contour of the trophy. The reflective gold surface becomes the visual centerpiece of. Global broadcast teams prepare to capture the historic unveiling. Millions of viewers will witness the championship icon. The final countdown signals the official FIFA unveiling moment. All preparations now lead to the global presentation. The FIFA World Cup 26 trophy is officially unveiled to the world. The months-long precision Following the unveiling, the trophy becomes the center of global media attention. Photographers document The protective enclosure is removed for the official ceremonial presentation. Strict handling procedures remain in effect around the trophy. The completed trophy is handled only with protective ceremonial gloves. The polished gold surface must remain completely flawless. The championship trophy becomes the centerpiece of FIFA's global presentation.
3, 2, 1.
Every reflection highlights. Broadcast studios prepare live interviews beside the completed trophy. The iconic gold symbol now enters worldwide television coverage. Millions of viewers now see the trophy. The polished gold surface radiates. After the unveiling, the trophy prepares for its worldwide promotional journey. Advanced security systems remain active. The championship trophy begins its global promotional tour. Every transport system is engineered to protect the finished masterpiece.
The trophy travels through major cities during FIFA's international tour. Fans around the world prepare to witness the iconic symbol.
The global trophy tour brings the championship icon closer to football fans. Exhibition arenas showcase the precision-crafted. Special lighting transforms the trophy into the visual centerpiece of the arena. The flawless gold finish reflects every movement inside the exhibition. Fans experience the completed trophy up close during the world tour. The handcrafted gold icon inspires excitement across every. Daily maintenance preserves the trophy's mirror polished finish during the tour. Every surface is cleaned and inspected after public exhibition. The championship trophy is repacked for the next destination on its tour. Protective systems guarantee safe travel between. The FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy continues its journey across the world. From raw molten gold. The championship trophy arrives at another major FIFA showcase venue. Strict security procedures continue throughout the world tour. The protected trophy is carefully transferred into the event facility. Shock control systems prevent movement during The trophy moves through the stadium toward the official exhibition platform. Every transition is synchronized with event production teams. Technical crews prepare the illuminated display stage for the trophy. Lighting systems are calibrated to maximize the goal. Technical crews prepare the illuminated display stage for the trophy. Lighting systems are calibrated to maximize the goal. The armored trophy enclosure is mounted onto the rotating showcase platform. Precision alignment ensures. The championship trophy is revealed for another international exhibition. Technicians inspect the gold surface before final detailing restores the trophy's flawless, mirror-polished finish. Every surface is prepared for close public viewing. The completed trophy returns to its illuminated exhibition display. Specialized supports stabilize the gold structure during dynamic stadium lighting transforms the trophy into the center of attention. The polished gold reflects every moving beam across. Fans gather from around the world to witness football's ultimate symbol. The handcrafted trophy becomes the highlight of the FIFA. Special guests and football legends gather around the championship trophy. The handcrafted gold symbol represents.
Ladies and gentlemen, please proceed to the exits. As the exhibition concludes, the trophy remains under constant protection.
Technicians perform detailed maintenance after every public exhibition. The mirror-polished gold surface. After another successful showcase, the trophy returns to secure storage. Tomorrow, the journey continues. A new day begins as the trophy prepares for another international event. Strict security procedures. The protected trophy is prepared for another carefully managed transport. Shock-resistant systems stabilize the display. The trophy travels through restricted access corridors toward the loading zone. Every route remains secured and monitored at all times. Celebration effects transform the stadium into a global football spectacle. The trophy shines beneath fireworks and golden confetti. Millions of fans celebrate the championship symbol across the world. The handcrafted trophy represents the dream of every football nation. After the ceremony, the trophy is returned to its secure display position. Protective handling preserves the flawless gold finish. The transparent armored enclosure seals the trophy once again. Security and preservation remain critical throughout the global tour. As the event concludes, crews carefully dismantle the presentation systems. The trophy remains protected at the center of the stadium. The championship trophy is repacked for another secure international journey. Advanced tracking systems continue protecting the gold. The FIFA World Cup Trophy continues its protected journey across the globe. Every destination celebrates the 2026 trophy now stands as a symbol recognized across the entire world.